this Tuesday at KFC.
Stop. What?
Get 5 pieces of chicken.
Stop it.
What? All for only 25 Ghana cedis.
Stop it, I like it.
It's finger looking good.
Total enjoyment.
Camp. Mezzo Maths is organizing a Mezzo Maths camp meeting for all students from primary 1 to SHS. Partake in this camp meeting to build up your mathematics.
35 squared.
1225.
55 squared.
325.
65 squared.
425.
4 plus 5 plus 6.
15.
12 plus 9 plus 11. 11 plus 21 plus 31. 8 plus 13 plus 18.
You will be so transformed. Date
18 to 28 August 2019.
Venue Gold Avenue School premises. Registration is in progress. For more information, visit www.mezzomaths.com or call
0245 332495 or 0552 490048.
Mezzo Maths, easy maths.
The laconic speech which was delivered by the last speaker. He found, maths a bugbear. I think we all also equally found maths a very difficult subject. It's heartwarming that Mezzo Maths has been able to make maths so easy. Of course, we should acknowledge the fact that mathematics is regarded as the queen of all the sciences. As a queen, we ought to give it tremendous respect and to be able to conquer all the aspects that it provides. Ladies and gentlemen, the competition would soon start. I have the duty of declaring the nature of the rounds which would be navigated in this quiz. For the first round, we have mental, photographic, mathematical representations and games. We're told that this would help to build up the photographic memory and enhance the capability. This involves counting shapes, memorizing numbers, identifying patterns, and the round helps develop their photographic memory. For the second round, the round deals with mental calculations, word problems, and arithmetic calculations. The pursuit of the third round would focus on speed and accuracy. Each team has 3 minutes to answer as many questions as they can. And last but not least, for the fourth round of the contest, would have the problem of the day. I'm told that so many questions would be propounded. And out of those questions, the contestants will be entitled to select 2 of those questions and answer them. We have a team of experts who will mark the work produced by the contestants, and the results will be at the appropriate time declared by this team of experts. And so, ladies and gentlemen, very quickly, I think that we will have to start the contest. But before we start, we would invite the contestants to introduce themselves very quickly. Now, I think the tradition is that one, you introduce yourself, the other contestant also introduces himself, you understand? And then in unison, you proclaim the name of your school.
So start.
From Roka International and by the name Apia.
Roka International School. Put your hands together for them. Yes.
My name is Adam Radiant. And I am Adila Minanamba Maptari, MyRedeemer School.
My name is George.
I'm Patricia Bedra from Myredeve Learning College.
My name is Orisa Bajwa Hilda from Crystal Heights International School.
Furthermore, we must indicate that this particular program is being telecast live on home-based television. Put your hands together for home-based television. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. The competition will start, and I must indicate that in as much as you stand there in pairs to avoid cacophony, both of you should not, unless otherwise indicated, provide the answers at the same time. You have the right to collaborate, and one of your number, for the avoidance of confusion, would produce the number for the quizmaster's attention. I suppose that is right with you. Action stations, round one, question one. I think the bell must go. The bell boy is here. The bell. Ladies and gentlemen, for the first round, we have mental maths and games. The contestants have 5 seconds to answer a major question and 3 seconds for a bonus question. So in the event of a contestant being unable to answer a major question, that question is taken from that contestant and passed on to the other contestants. The contestant who answers the question would gain a bonus point of 1 before we revert to the next contestant in this competition. 3 marks would be given for a major question and 1 point allocated for any distinction in relation to a bonus question. Round 1, question 1. Now, yes, Roka, Evans, Adinbuat, and Richmond appear. Now listen, you pick the highest blue number and multiply it by the lowest violet number. That is correct, thank you very much. That is correct. Your turn, Redeemer. Radiat, Adams, and Adila. Now you pick the highest blue number and multiply it by the highest violet number.
10815.
Sorry? 10815 is correct. You pick the highest green number and multiply it by the highest red number.
825.
Sorry?
825.
I disagree. And so for a bonus, yes, Roka. No, sorry, Crystal.
95.
No, I disagree. Roka for a bonus. No, Redeemer.
835.
Oh, disaster. It's unfortunate. The last one. Yes. Is it Little College? Have you answered? Have you answered? So nobody was able to answer. Ladies and gentlemen, we have 6375. 6,375. And so it's the turn of Crystal. Now Crystal, pick the highest violet number and divide it by the lowest green number.
824.
That's correct. Put your hands together for them. Your turn, Crystal. Roka. Roka, how many squares can be found in the diagram below? Sorry? 5 is the answer. Put your hands together for them, Redeemer. Now, how many circles can be found in the diagram below?
5.
5 is correct. Put your hands together for them. How many squares can be seen in the diagram below?
6.
6 is correct. How many triangles can be seen in the diagram below?
3.
3 is correct. Put your hands together for all the contestants. Again, Roka. Now listen. When comparing these two grids, which cell is different? Second running out. Yes, Redeemer.
A4.
Sorry?
A4.
A4 is correct. Now, when comparing these two grids, which cell is different? Redeemer.
A1.
Sorry?
A1.
A1 is correct. Myredeve. Now, when comparing these two grids, what cell is different? Yes,
A4.
Crystal. A4 is correct. Thank you very much. Now, when comparing these two grids, what cell is different? Roka. Also, Crystal.
B3.
B3 is correct. Thank you. Now, you watch the order in which the light blue colored circles disappear. The order in which the light blue colored circles disappear. Crystal. Yes, Roka. That is correct. Well, thank you very much. That is correct. Redeemer. Now, watch the order in which the violet colored circles disappear. Redeemer.
55, 66, 530.
That's correct. Thank you very much. Your turn, Myredeve. Now, watch the order in which the dark blue colored circles disappear.
$33, $21, $13, $40.
Nobody disagree. Crystal, for a bonus.
33, 21, 40, 30.
That's order. That's in order. Put your hands towards. Yes, the Crystal again. Crystal. Now, what's the order in which the yellow pattern colored circles disappear? Yes, Roka. Fast, quickly. Redeemer. Myredeve. Disaster. 11, 21, 52, 17, 8. Now, you would memorize the image on the screen. Memorize the image on the screen. Is a Crystal. Now, Roka. Now listen. You memorize the image on the screen. You call out the first letter, second, and the fourth numbers. Sorry? That's correct. Thank you very much. Now, you memorize the image on the screen. Memorize, you call out the first number, the second letter, and the fourth number.
3W5.
Sorry? 3W5 is correct. Thank you very much. Myredeve. You'll memorize the image on the screen. Myredeve. You call out the second letter, the second and third numbers.
R26.
I disagree. R26. That's correct. Put your hands together for them. That's correct. Put your hands together for Myredeve. Now you will memorize the image on the screen. Crystal. You call out the first letter, the first and the third numbers. Sorry?
81.
It's correct. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, ladies. Put your hands together for the contestant. Put your hands together.
This Tuesday at KFC.
Stop! What?
Get 5 pieces of chicken.
Stop it!
All for only 25 Ghana cedis.
Stop it! I like it!
It's finger looking good.
Home-based TV. Total enjoyment.
Camp. Mezzo Maths is organizing a Mezzo Maths camp meeting for all students from primary 1 to SHS. Partake in this camp meeting to build up your mathematics.
35 squared.
1225.
55 squared.
325.
65 squared.
425.
4 plus 5 plus 6. 7 plus 9 plus 11. 11 plus 21 plus 31. 8 plus 13 plus 18.
You will be so transformed. Date:
18 to 28 August 2019.
venue: Gold Avenue School premises. Registration is in progress. For more information, visit www.mezzomaths.com or call
0245 332495 or 0552 490048.
Mezzo Maths, easy maths.
Ladies and gentlemen, these are the scores at the end of the first stanza of the competition. We have Myredeve scoring 6 points. Put your hands there for them. Myredeve 6 points. Roka has 12 points. Crystal Heights has 14 points. And in the lead at this first juncture of the competition is MyRedeemer with 16 points. 16 points. Thank you very much. A round of applause again for MyRedeemer with 16 points. But this is only the nascent stage of the competition. We'll still traverse the other rounds of the competition. We have 3 more rounds to prosecute, and we'll delve straight into the second round of the competition. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Round 2, question 1. And MyRedeemer, you will start the crusade here. Now look attentively at this. You would find the missing number. Find the missing number. 315 times 18. Find the missing number. Crystal.
6.
Sorry? 6 is the answer. Put your hands together for Crystal. MyRedeemer for 3 points. Now, Myredeve. Now, find the missing number.
3.
Sorry?
3.
3 is the answer. Put your hands together for them. You will find the missing number. Crystal. You find the missing number 108. Find 14. The missing number here.
2.
2 is correct. Thank you. Your turn for 3 points, Roka. You would find the missing number. 405 times 25. 5 is correct. Put your hands together for them. You would find the missing number. MyRedeemer 306 times 17.
5.
5 is correct. Put your hands together for the Myredeve 1098 times 12. Missing number
6.
6 is correct. Thank you very much. You'll find the missing number. Crystal Heights. Sorry?
5.
5 is correct. Thank you very much. You'll find the missing number. Roka International. 4 is correct. Now, you will listen to this word problem and provide the solution to it. Now, in a school's assembly hall, there are 83 rows of seats and 87 columns of seats. How many seats are there in all?
7221. 7221
7221 seats. Absolutely. Thank you, Myredeve. In a faculty of 105 students, each student was supposed to have read 108 books from the school library by the time of graduation. How many books in all would these students have read by graduation?
11340.
It is correct for 3 points. Crystal. Now, Dr. Kuma gave his 9 patients 54 oranges to share. How many did each get?
6.
6 is correct. Thank you very much. Crystal, your turn. During the harvest season, Mr. Siama gets 85 tons of cocoa from his farm. But this year, he had 5 times his normal harvest. How many tons of cocoa harvest did he make? Sorry? Did he make?
It's Roka.
Roka. 425 tons of cocoa. MyRedeemer, find the perimeter of the regular pentagon with side 17 centimeters shown in the diagram. 85 centimeters is correct. Myredeve, you would find the area of the rectangle below. Area of the rectangle.
10608 centimeters squared.
10608 centimeters squared is correct. Your turn, Crystal. You would find the area of the right angle triangle.
3025 centimeters squared.
3025 centimeters squared. And we're back to Roka. Now, for 3 points. Now, listen. If a hall has 95 rows and 95 columns of floor tiles, how many floor tiles are there? 9025. Yes. Thank you very much. You'll find the sum of the following numbers. Listen with rapt attention. 5, 6, 11, 17, 28, 45, 73, 118, 191, and 309.
8030.
It is correct. 3 points. Your turn, Myredeve. Find the sum of the following numbers. 3 plus 5 plus 8 plus 13 plus 21 plus 34 plus 55 plus 89 plus 144 plus 233.
605.
605. Excellent. Now you find the following numbers again. 3 plus 4 plus 7 plus 11 plus 18 plus 29 plus 47 plus 76 plus 123 plus 199.
517.
517 is absolutely correct. You'll find the sum of the following numbers. Roka. 6 plus 7 plus 13, 20, 33 plus 30, 53, 86, 139, 225, and 364. 946. Perfectly. 3 points, MyRedeemer. You would find the sum of the following numbers. 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 7 plus 11 plus 18 plus 29 plus 47, 76, and 123.
319.
319 is correct. It's certainly not 419. Myredeve. Now listen, you would find the sum of the following numbers. 4 plus 3 plus 7 plus 10 plus 17 plus 27 plus 44 plus 71 plus 115 and 186.
484.
This is correct. 484. I think that you nearly did one of you with the eyes. Listen to this one with rapt attention. And it is crystal eyes. Listen, 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 10 plus 16 plus 26 plus 42 plus 68 plus 110 plus 178.
462.
462 is absolutely correct. Your turn, Roka. You would find the sum of the following numbers. 4, 5 plus 4 plus 9 plus 13 plus 22 plus 35 plus 57 plus 92 plus 194, 149 and plus 241. 627, both of you at the same time. That is correct. Ladies and gentlemen, I think that we would break here and we'll come back to you for the third round of the competition after the statistical compilation of scores which have been made by my right-hand men are ready for declaration. End of the round, and applause for all the contestants. Thank you very much. Plus 241. 627, both of you at the same time. That is correct. Ladies and gentlemen, I think that we would break here and we'll come back to you for the third round of the competition after the statistical compilation of scores which have been made by my right-hand men are ready for declaration. End of the round, and applause for all the contestants. Thank you very much.
This Tuesday at KFC.
Stop. What?
Get 5 pieces of chicken.
Stop it.
All for only 25 Ghana cedis.
Stop it, I like it.
It's finger looking good.
Total enjoyment.
Camp, camp, camp. Mezzo Maths is organizing a Mezzo Maths camp meeting for all students from primary 1 to SHS. Partake in this camp meeting to build up your mathematics.
35 squared.
1225.
55 squared.
325.
65 squared.
425.
4 plus 5 plus 6. 7 plus 9 plus 11. 11 plus 21 plus 31. 8 plus 13 plus 18.
You will be so transformed. Date
18 to 28 August 2019.
Venue Gold Avenue School premises. Registration is in progress. For more information, visit www.mezzomaths.com or call
0245 332495 or 0552 490048.
Mezzo Maths, easy maths.
I think that there is a special rule which regulates this particular round. Before this round commences, there will be a balloting to determine which contestant would start the whole engagement. And so the balloting will be done by those people here, these producers of mine who are working on the arrangements on this program. Balloting to determine which contestant starts. Mezzo Maths. Yes, it is there. Thank you. Mezzo Maths again. Easy maths. It ought to be easy. In our time, it was not made easy. It was very unfortunate. But now, it has been made. I wish I could go back to secondary school and start all over again. Because maths is now enticing. It is now scrumptious. Okay, so now I'll invite the contestants to come to the Quizmaster's table and pick a paper, a piece of paper. Yes. One. I hope you didn't take two. You took only one. So, yes, all of you come. Yes. So you be the third. Yes, very quickly. No, wait. Let's see yours. What did you pick? Sorry, fourth. You were the fourth contestant. You understand? And yes, the ladyship. Sorry. Number one, the first contestant, and number two. Put your hands together for the contestant, Mezzo Maths, easy maths. Thank you. Now, the third one is indeed a challenging round. Each, for the results of the second round of the competition, ladies and gentlemen, for the second round of the competition, there was a marvelous plateau of scores. All the contestants had 18 points, you understand? So practically they're all equal, and there is no primus inter pares. Put your hands together for all the contestants. There is no primus, you understand? All of them had an equal number of points, 18, 18, 18, and 18. So let's see whether the tide won't change in the remaining rounds of the competition. We're going to prosecute the third round, which, as I indicated, is indeed a very challenging round. Very quickly. Now, each team would have 3 minutes to answer as many questions as they can. You understand? Now, they could act symbiotically. You understand? Combine their ideas and choose one of their number to produce the answer. Or they could both, as it were, produce the answer at the same time. However, they must try as much as possible to avoid the occurrence of any manner of chaos. Each team has 3 minutes to answer as many questions as they can. Now, when the answer provided to a question is incorrect, the quizmaster would not continue until an answer is provided, or the question is kept by the contestant indicating that the quizmaster should proceed. You understand? By saying or mentioning the word next. You understand? You implore the quizmaster to proceed because you have an almighty burden on you and you are incapable of answering the question. So go on and let's see how we can tackle the remaining questions. You understand? So when the quizmaster says, the quizmaster would not continue until the answer is provided. And when you know you cannot provide the answer, you could skip that question by saying next, asking the quizmaster to go on. Now, so who's that? Wait. Yes. So Crystal, you would start the engagement. You start this crusade. Now you must listen with rapt attention and answer the question. Very good. Yeah. Now listen. Start. 53 divided by 9.
5.8.
36 divided by 9.
4.
24 divided by 9.
6.
54 divided by 9.
6.
No?
Next.
38 divided by 9.
6.4.
No?
Next.
22 divided by 9.
2.4.
Correct? 33 divided by 9.
3.6.
19 divided by 9. Sorry?
Next.
17 divided by 9.
1.8.
13 divided by 9.
1.4.
11 squared.
1 to
1
1.
to 1.
21 squared.
4 1.
31 squared.
91.
41 squared.
61.
51 squared.
61.
61 squared.
71.
71 squared.
141.
81 squared.
61.
91 squared.
81.
101 squared.
101.
42 times 5.
215.
215. 210.
51 times 5.
215.
255.
82 times 5.
410.
91 times 5.
455.
72 times 5. 63 times 5.
315.
92 times 5.
460.
74 times 5. 97 by 5.
485.
68 by 5. 43 by divided by 5.
215.
No, 43 divided by 5.
8.6.
36 divided by 5. 44 divided by 5.
8.8.
64 divided by 5.
4.9.
No.
Next.
53 divided by 5.
5.8.
No. 53 divided by 5.
10.6.
Sorry?
10.6.
Yes. 22 divided by 5.
4.4.
Correct. 33 divided by 5.
6.6.
90 divided by 5.
3.6.
70 divided by 5.
3.4.
13 divided by 5.
2.4.
Now 71 times 7. Times 79. 71 times 79.
509.
62 times 68.
416.
51 times 59.
2009.
42 times 48.
2016.
43 times 47.
2021.
69 times 61.
4009.
53 times 57.
3021.
36 times 34.
1224.
22 times 28.
1216.
2016.
No.
Next.
64 times 66.
4224.
104 times 102.
10608.
109 times 103.
11227.
108 times 102.
11016.
103 times 104.
10712.
102 times 105.
10710.
104 times 109. 103 times 102. 105 times 107.
11235.
106 times 102.
10812.
103 times 101.
10403.
No. Applause for all the contestants. So, an almighty round of applause again for this set of contestants. Miraculous mathematical performance. Sublime mathematics. And the quizmaster obviously is impressed because he had difficult days in mathematics. And sorry. The second school. Where's the second school? Sorry, Myredeve. Myredeve. Where would it start? Yes, Myredeve. The timekeeper ready. Start. 71 times 21.
1491.
Correct. 61 times 11.
671.
51 times 31.
1581.
31 times 61.
1891.
31 times 11.
341.
Huh?
341.
341. Put. 21 times 51.
071.
41 times 61.
2501.
31 times 21.
651.
51 times 61.
3111.
31 times 41.
1271.
25 squared.
65.
95 squared.
9025.
85 squared.
725.
75 squared.
5625.
65 squared.
25.
55 squared.
3025.
35 squared.
1225.
45 squared.
2025.
15 squared.
225.
105 squared.
1025.
No.
11025.
No.
11025.
1 no. Sorry. 65 divided by 9.
7.22.
Correct. 31 divided by 9.
3.44.
27 divided by 9.
3.
16 divided by 9.
6.78.
7.11.
1.78. 1.78.
Next.
Correct. 15 divided by 9.
1.67.
20 divided by 9.
2.7.
2.78.
Next.
51 divided by 9.
5.67.
45 divided by 9.
5.5.
19 divided by 9.
2.11.
32 divided by 9.
3.55.
103 times 107.
11021.
109 times 102.
11118.
104 times 106.
11024.
102 times 104.
10608.
101 times 103.
10403.
105 times 108.
113.
108 times 107.
115.
105 times 109.
11445.
101 times 102.
10302.
104 times 101.
10504.
71 squared.
5041.
81 squared.
6561.
91 squared.
281.
21 squared.
441.
61 squared.
721.
11 squared.
121.
51 squared.
2601.
31 squared.
961.
41 squared.
161.
101 squared.
10201.
13 times 5.
65.
31 times 5.
155.
27 times 5.
145.
175.
27 times 5.
135.
32 times 5.
160.
41 times 5.
205.
21 times 5.
205.
105.
105.
42 times 5.
210.
45 times 2.
225.
For the contestants. Put your hands there for contestants. Yeah, it's indubitably marvelous with the performance from this set of contestants. Which school was that? Myredeve. A round of applause once again for Myredeve! So you got your loins. The third school, Roka. You should be getting ready for this one. Roka. Now Roka. Timekeeper starts. 42 divided by 5. No? 51 divided by 5. Get a 2 divided by 5. 91 divided by 5. 22 divided by 5. 63 divided by 5. 92 divided by 5. 94 divided by 5. 97 divided by 5. 68 divided by 5. No? Yes, 14 divided by 14 times 5. No, 14 times 5. 28 times 5. 47 times 5. 39 times 5. 44 times 5. 26 times 5. 48 times 5. 57 times 5. Oh, correct. 23 times 5. 29 times 5. 31 times 21. 41 times 21. 21 times 61. 71 times 81. 91 times 11. 51 times 51. Correct. 61 times 91. 41 times 71. 21 times 71. 31 times 91. 102 times 105. 109 times 103. 108 times 102. 103 times 101. 104 times 102. 104 times 109. Correct? 103 times 102. 105 times 107. 106 times 102. No? No? 103 times 105. No? 1? Correct. 81 times 89. 64 times 68. No? 53 times 57. 42 times 48. 23 times 27. No? 54 times 66. 53 times 57. 35 times 35. 43 times 47. 47 times 76. 44 divided by 9. Correct. 26 divided by 9. Correct. 18 divided by 9. Correct. 25 divided by 9. 37 divided by 9. Correct. 42 divided by 9. 54 divided by 9. 24 divided by 9. 70 divided by 9. 63 divided by 9. 21 squared. 91 squared. Applause for the contestants. Another almighty round for the contestants. And that was another majestic display of mathematical ability by the contestants. And I suppose the other contestants are now getting ready for their turn. The fourth. I'll do the fourth. MyRedeemer. Are you ready? The first for action. Timekeeper. Set. Start. 85 divided by 9.
9.78.
No?
9.44.
Correct. 51 divided by 9.
5.67.
87 divided by 9.
9.67.
96 divided by 9.
2.
No?
Next.
No, sorry. 76 divided by 9.
8.33. 8.44.
Correct. 35 divided by 9.
3.77. 3.89.
Correct. 21 divided by 9.
2.33.
83 divided by 9.
3.99.
83 divided by 9.
9.22.
38 divided by 9.
4.22.
37 divided by 9.
4.11.
33 divided by 9.
3.66.
95 squared.
9.05.
25 squared.
6.25.
85 squared.
1.25. 7.25.
75 squared.
5.65.
55 squared.
3.05.
35 squared.
1.25.
45 squared.
2.05.
65 squared.
4.25.
50 squared.
2.25.
105 squared. 31 times 39.
27. 28. 21.
No? 31 times 39.
1209.
Correct? 54 times 56.
3024.
34, 53 times 57.
3021.
41, 45 times 45.
2025.
28 times 22.
6166.
99 times 21.
9021.
99 times 21.
9009.
43 times 47.
2021.
36 times 24.
1224.
Correct? 42 times 48.
2016.
62 times 68.
4216.
28 times 5.
190.
28 times 5.
140.
47 times 5.
235.
97 times 5.
485.
72 times 5.
360.
181 times 5.
405.
61 times 5.
305.
22 times 5.
110.
49 times 5.
245.
Sorry?
245.
49 times 5.
245.
No?
Next.
79 times 5.
395.
Correct? 91 times 5.
455.
71 squared.
5041.
No?
5041.
Correct? 81 squared.
6561.
91 squared.
861.
21 squared.
441.
61 squared.
3721.
61 squared.
3721.
11 squared.
121.
51 squared.
201.
31 squared.
961.
41 squared.
168.
101 squared.
10203.
Oh la la! Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, that certainly was a splendid performance, a splendid show of mathematical skill and ability. And we are now going to delve straight into the final portion of the whole exercise, which is round 4. Now, round 4 has to do with the problem of the day. The problem of the day. So the question at the appropriate time will be propounded by the quizmaster, and the contestants will be given time within which to answer the quizmaster's question. In the meantime, Mr. Music Master will deliver a tune. And the quiz master is now ready. Thank you very much, Mr. Music Man. He's so ingenious, so productive, so qualitative. And I think that we need to advertise him severely on the musical scene. He is a role model. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the Music Man once again before we proceed to the declaration of scores. And for the scores at the end of the third stanza of the competition, this time there are variations, slight variations. We have MyRedeemer scoring 50 points. MyRedeemer, they scored 50 points. Roka equally scored 50 points. Roka equally scored 50 points. Myredeve topped up a little with 55 points. And those who established themselves as the major domers of that particular round. Crystal Heights with 54 points. Crystal Heights with 54 points. So these are the scores. At the appropriate time, we'll find an aggregate. The aggregate of all the scores made in each round of the competition before we would declare the final scores. And I think that if I am a producer, I will proceed to the pursuit with alacrity of the fourth round of the competition. If my producer would permit me to proceed, the fourth round of the competition, which is the problem of the day. And the quizmaster has the opportunity or the right of propounding 3 questions, out of which the contestants will be obliged to answer 2. Out of which the contestants will answer 2 questions. The timekeeper is ready and the time is set for the start of this vital round of the competition. We would put the question forward. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. But before we proceed with the questions in the fourth round of the competition, I would want to remind you about the presence of people whose presence here honestly lends a tremendous ornamentation to this exercise. Bishop Dr. Peter Akoto, founder of Mezzo Maths. Welcome him. He's the founder of Mezzo Maths. Right Reverend Professor Usu Sechere, is the Vice Chancellor of the University of Cape Coast Technical University. Cape Coast Technical University. Professor C. Eduardo is a former UTAC president and MAG president. Welcome him. I think the applause is tepid. It ought to be tumultuous. Thank you. Dr. Salamatu N. Norte is a National Mathematics Coordinator. Welcome, Dr. Salamatu. Mr. John Swandipo is the Director of KFC Business Head. Welcome him. Mr. David Afiye is the Chief Executive Officer of Home Based Television and City Gold. Welcome him. Mrs. Betty Bua is the Regional STMIE Coordinator. And last but not least, Mr. Okwe is the National Secretary, Ghana Association of Science Teachers, GAST. Welcome all these personalities. Thank you very much. Now that we have acknowledged in a majestic manner, we would now proceed to the final question of the day. Now, action stations. Question 1. In a village of 50,000 people, 22 are government employees and the remaining are self-employed. What percentage of the employees are self-employed? You must listen with a cocked ear because it's very crucial. Question 2. You will perform this addition in base 10. 1101 base 2 plus 43 base 5. The third question. A rectangular field has length 106 centimeters and width 104 centimeters. If 1/5 of the area will be used for farming, find the area used for farming. You have the opportunity of selecting 2 out of the 3. The questions in a on the screen you could, otherwise your vision is poor. In a village of 50,000 people, 22,000 are government employees and the remaining, the time has started anyway. So you could look at it. You're supposed to answer the 2 questions within a time space of 2 minutes. Now you have an obligation to show the steps, the formula by which you reach your answers. All these areas will be given marks. Show steps towards the achievement of the answers. Time is up and you must stop work. Stop work. I'm informed you have to put your pens down. You don't only stop work, but you put your pens down. Ladies and gentlemen, now that the problem of the day has been tackled, as I indicated, 2 of the 3 questions propounded by the quizmaster were supposed to be answered by the contestants, and they're supposed to show the manner in which they obtain the answers. Their work would now be delivered before the experts, the mathematical experts, who would mark them and then indicate how the marking was done and the manner in which scholarship was appropriately attributed. I think they ought to use
it. Come. Mezzo Maths is organizing a Mezzo Maths camp meeting for all students from primary 1 to SHS. Partake in this camp meeting to build up your mathematics. You will be so transformed. Date
18 to 28 August 2019.
Venue Gold Avenue School premises. Registration is in progress. For more information, visit www.mezzomaths.com or call
0245 332495 or 0552 490048.
Mezzo Maths, easy math.
Mezzo Maths. Thank you very much, sir. Marvelous music master. Marvelous music man. The marking has been done too. To the camera, please. Ladies and gentlemen, the marking has been completed, and the experts, the gurus who've been working on this particular project, would indicate to us what the marking was and how they came by the conclusion that they have reached. But I think that it would be appropriate to mount the podium. Yes. Experts, please come to the podium.
Good morning. Please, this is the explanation of the answers. Question 1. In a village of 50,000 people, 22,000 are government employees and the remaining are self-employed. What percentage of the employees are self-employed? We expect the contestants to calculate for number of people who are self-employed, because we're giving the number of government employees, but the total number were 50. So to get the self-employed, we subtract 22,000 from the 50,000. That will give us 28,000. So with that, we give the method 2 marks, and then the final answer also 2 marks. So M2, A2. And then the actual question, percentage, since it centers on self-employed, then the number divided by or out of the total number of people in the village times 100. 100. Good. And then we get a final answer, which is 56%. That one, so we give method 3 marks, and then the answer also 3 marks. So 10 marks in totality. And then question 2, which is about the enumeration system, number basis. Before you can add the addition, you can add the numbers there, you first have to convert each of them to base 10. Yeah, so converting 11011 base 2 to base 10, the final answer will be 27. And then 432 base 5 to base 10, the answer will be 117. And with that one, we give in the method 2 marks, and then final answer also 2 marks per each. So the final answer will be also method 1, and then the final answer to 1 mark, making 2 marks. So when you add all of them, also in totality, we are getting 10 marks for question 2. Now question 3, which is about the rectangular field. We are being asked to find the area of the area used for farming. So we first have to calculate the area of the rectangle. The answer you get, you take 1/5 of the answer, and that will be the area used for farming. With that one, so we give method 2 marks, and then the final answer 3 marks. Since it involves units, area is measured in square units. So if you forget to bring the units, we deduct 1 mark. And then that of the final answer, which is the area used for farming, that's 1/5 of the total area.
Come.
That one
Mezzo
too.
Maths is organizing a Mezzo Maths camp meeting for all students from primary 1 to SHS. Partake in this camp meeting to build up your mathematics.
35 squared, 55 squared, 65 squared.
4 plus 5 plus 6, 7 plus 9 plus 11, 11 plus 21 plus 31, 8 plus 13 plus 18.
You will be so transformed. Date
18 to 28 August 2019.
Venue Gold Avenue School premises. Registration is in progress. For
very
more
much.
information, visit www.mezzomaths.com or call
0245 332495 or 0552 490048.
Mezzo Maths, easy math.
But I have the duty of declaring the scores once again. Out of the 20, MyRedeemer scored 2 points. Myredeve, yes, applause. It's an achievement. MyRedeemer scored 2 points. Myredeve had 7 points out of 20. Roka had 15 out of 20. And a fantastic 20 over 20, Crystal Heights. But in the midst of the jubilation, ladies and gentlemen, I have the opportunity of indicating the arrival of the Deputy Minister for Education. He's a very important individual in our midst. Mr. Adutum, welcome the Deputy Minister. Mr. Minister, you're welcome. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. I shall now proceed to a declaration of the totality of scores. The totality of scores. The scores which I just announced has to do with the fourth round of proceedings. We now would declare the final round, the final scores at the end of the total competition. Myredeve had 86 points. 86 points. MyRedeemer tied in with Myredeve with 86 points. 86, 86. Roka pulled up a little with 95 points. And a wondrous 106 points, Crystal Heights. Crystal Heights. Now, pursuant to the rules which regulate the conduct of proceedings, we have a duty to break the tie between Myredeve and MyRedeemer. So now it's what do you call it? A penalty shootout situation here between the two contestants. Very quickly. So who do this? No. Who do speed work? Who does it? Who? All of them. Who do this? Who do this? Who do this? Who do this? Yes, now ladies and gentlemen, speed work. Myredeve, the timekeeper, this is a very critical thing, so you have to be very accurate in your timing. Is the timekeeper ready? Is he ready? Myredeve, start. 73 divided by 5.
146.
81 divided by 5.
16.2.
17.0.
16.2.
74 divided by 5.
1.8.
34 divided by 5.
7.0.
7.8. 6.8.
13 divided by 5.
2.6.
31 times 21.
8 6 1.
61 times 31.
3721.
1891.
181. 31 times 81.
961.
No?
961.
31 times 81. 31 times 81.
2531.
No? 31 times 81.
2511.
Correct? 71 times 61.
4331.
Correct? 21 times 31.
1491.
Correct? 108 times 102.
10506.
No?
Say the question again.
108 times 102.
11016.
Correct? But that's the bell. Put your hands together for Myredeve. Now the turn of MyRedeemer. Is the timekeeper ready? Time starts. 52 divided by 5.
10.4.
8 divided by 5.
7.6.
88 divided by 5.
17.6.
17 divided by 5.
3.4.
26 divided by 5.
5.2.
41 divided by 5.
8.2.
21 times 31.
651.
21 times 31.
651.
21 times 31.
651.
No?
Yes.
51 times 21.
107.
Sorry, 51 times 61.
3111.
91 times 21.
18. 1911.
41 times 61.
2501.
31 times 91.
Next.
103 times 105.
10815.
108 times 101.
10908.
104 times 102.
10608.
105 times 106.
11130.
108 times 109.
117.
72.
22 plus 25 plus 28 plus 31 plus 34.
155.
140.
13 times 6. La, la, la. Put your hands together for I think at the end of the tie-breaking exercise, it is conspicuous that MyRedeemer, we had how many points in the tie-breaking? MyRedeemer scored 14, Myredeve 10 points. Welcome them. MyRedeemer 14 against Myredeve's 10. So now they surge above. So they surge above. And so they become there. So ladies and gentlemen, in order of merit, we have Myredeve with 96 points. Sorry, of course, 86 points. MyRedeemer 86 points. Roka with 95. And at the height of this whole process is Crystal Heights. The heights of great men remind us we should also make our lives sublime so that in departing we will leave behind us footprints on the sands of time. But I think gentlemen, now that we have the presence in our midst of this eminent individual who is the Deputy Minister for Education, Mr. Duchu, we have the opportunity of inviting him to the microphone for a delivery of a laconic speech. Ladies and gentlemen, just welcome Mr. Duchu, Deputy Minister of Education.
Thank you very much, Mr. Master of Ceremony. We have come to the pièce de résistance of the whole exercise, and that has to do with the presentation of prizes to the contestants who honestly performed so brilliantly. Once more, I think I would want to declare the scores at the end of the competition and to declare the champions before we proceed to the presentation of the prizes to the contestants. As you recollect, the school that came fourth in this competition, Myredeve, after that tie-breaking exercise was accomplished, Myredeve emerged with 86 points. Myredeve emerged with 86 points. MyRedeemer also emerged with 86 points. But of course, as I have already indicated, after the tie-breaking procedure, Redeemer overcame, as it were, Myredeve. Now, for the second position, ladies and gentlemen, you will welcome Roka International School. Roka International School, they emerged with 95 points. And the school that emerged triumphant at the end of the whole exercise emerged with a whopping 106 points to capture the heights in this competition, Crystal Heights. Applause for Crystal Heights for that wonderful performance. Now we'll proceed to the second process of the agenda, and that has to do with the presentation of prizes. We have for the presentation of the medals, the Honorable Deputy Minister of Education, Dr. Educhu. The presenter of the certificates would be done. The presenter of the certificates would be Mr. John Swanepoel. The Deputy Minister once again would do the presentation of cash prizes which are at stake here, and the ultimate trophy would be presented by Professor Joshua Sechere. Welcome these personalities once more by a round of applause. So, normally we start from the bottom and rise upwards. And so for the fourth prize, we have 100 Ghana cedis to be presented to the school that came fourth in this competition. Ladies and gentlemen, you put your hands together and welcome this duality of Patricia Bedra and Dorothy Kogo. Put your hands together for them. They will take 100 Ghana cedis prize to be presented by the Deputy Minister. The prize to be presented by the Deputy Minister. Yes, I think the prize is now being produced. Yes. So the trash. The fourth, yes, the fourth. 100 each to the contestants. 100 each. The other one. Sorry. The back.
Okay, we have fourth prize going to Myredeve School, Little College, and you have 100 CDs each. Congratulations. Yeah, I had to stand here so that the TV cameras can catch it. Congratulations. All right, congratulations, great job. Sure you can use the 100 CDs very well, right? Good. Now, the third group, step forward. Who was the third? MyRedeemer. All right. So that the TV can capture you very well. Oh, don't hide behind her. We're going for money from the bank or?
Yeah. 200.
And this is 200 each.
In the middle.
Second prize. Second prize of 300 dollars. I'm sure they are going to be counted. Three. No. But that's not received. And so the ultimate of 400 Ghana cedis. This wonderful combination of Hilda Owusu Abuajiwa and of Brimpong Awua. A colossal 400 Ghana cedis. 400 Ghana cedis. Oh, each, indeed. So it's a whopping 800 in aggregate. 400 Ghana cedis each to the contestant, Hilda Owusu Abuajiwa. Thank you very much, Mr. Minister. Thank you very much. God mightily bless you for the presentation. Thank you very much. The certificate would be presented by Mr. John Swanipo. Mr. John Swanipo would do us great honor of presenting the certificate. But I think that it is worthy to read the content of the certificate. Congratulations, Certificate of Achievement. This certificate is awarded to Hilda Abuajiwa Owusu for placing first in the Mezzo Maths Inter-School Quiz Competition held on the 4th of July 2019 under the auspices of Mezzo House Limited in collaboration with the Mathematics Association of Ghana, MAZ. Founder, Mezzo House Limited, Ghana. Yes, sir. Thank you very much, Mr. The fourth position, Patricia Bedra Dorothy Kogo, Myredeve Little College. Myredeve Little College. Patricia Dorothy Kogo. A round of applause for these contestants. Thank you very much. The third prize, Radiat Adams, Adila Nombu, MyRedeemer School. They have their certificates. Presented by John Swanipo. Ivan Sejenim Boateng, with Richmond Appear. They are the combination for Roka International School. Roka International School. And those at the top of the whole process. Hilda Uso Abajua of Brimpong Ewa Crystal Heights International School. Thank you very much, Mr. Swanipo, for the presentation. Ladies and gentlemen, the presentation, there are other tangible items here. Tangible items which comprise television sets and so on, to be presented to the schools of the contestants. We'll invite Professor Joshua Sechere. Professor will present Joshua Sechere. And while the music man provides music in the background, the professor would present. I think the teachers are supposed to come forward to take these prizes on behalf of the schools. For the fourth position, the fourth prize, that is Myredeve Little College. They take a 32-inch color television, flat screen. And their teacher takes, go beside them. Thank you very much. A round of applause as the music man instructs. Listen to the music man's instruction for a round of applause for the contestant. Third prize, 32-inch television for the school, MyRedeemer School. MyRedeemer School. The teacher takes the prize and is assisted in that exercise by Radiat Adams and Adila Nombu. The second prize involves a 40-inch television for the school. 40-inch television for the school. Evans Ajenim Boateng, Richmond Appear, Roka International School, and their teacher. Thank you very much. The ultimate prize, ladies and gentlemen, involves a 43-inch television for the school. The first prize, that is a coveted prize in these proceedings, ladies and gentlemen, the prize to be presented here by Professor Joshua Sechere. And of course, in addition, he would do the presentation of the trophy. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome Crystal Heights International School. Ambassadress Hilda Uso Abwajua and Ambassador Obrimpong Ewa. Ladies and gentlemen, I think that the exercise is not yet complete, and they now have to receive the trophy. The eventual trophy. Ladies and gentlemen, the eventual trophy. And I think that we ought to do them a mighty ovation. Put your hands together again for the champions of this fabulous Mezzo Maths Mathematics competition. We're grateful to the Professor Joshua Sechere, Professor Sechere, for the presentation of this prize. And back to the Master of Ceremony for the occasion, Mr. Music Man.
This Tuesday at KFC.
Stop, what?
Get 5 pieces of chicken.
Stop it, what?
All for only 25 Ghana cedis.
Stop it, I like it!
It's finger looking good.
Total enjoyment.
Camp. Mezzo Maths is organizing a Mezzo Maths camp meeting for all students from primary 1 to SHS. Partake in this camp meeting to build up your mathematics.
35 squared.
1225.
55 squared.
3025.
65 squared.
425.
4 plus 5 plus 6.
15.
7 plus 9 plus 11.
27.
11 plus 21 plus 31. 8 plus 13 plus 18.
You will be so transformed. Date
18 to 28 August 2019.
Venue Gold Avenue School premises. Registration is in progress. For more information, visit www.mezzomaths.com or call
0245 332495 or 0552 490048.
Mezzo Maths, easy math.